family and friends, we're gathered here today on this almost beautiful Florida beach today, but no rain, to celebrate and to witness the love and the marriage of Staci Morgan and Andre Johnson. In just a few short moments, you're going to exchange vows of marriage to each other, and I would like to remind you both that although vows are spoken in just a matter of minutes, they're promises that are intended to last for the rest of your life.
I don't know what to call this. Yeah, I don't know what to call this. Crossing state lines in the dark just to wake up where you are, knowing we'll never make it out of here together. But the rest of the world just disappeared. The rest of the world just disappeared.
My dear love, Staci, please bear with me as I struggle through this, as you know what a softie I am.
Lock it up.
And remember, don't tell anyone about my favorite movie, The Notebook. Okay? We would not be here today without your undying love. Thank you for not giving up on me, as you are so much more than I deserve. I love the way you love me, and have never felt for anyone the love I have for you. I pray that I bless you in all that I do. I promise to lead you and our family to the best of my ability. I promise to work at our love and always make you a priority. I vow to never stop trying, and I will always fight for you. I will never give up on you. You have taught me to be more selfless and helped me to become a better person. You are so caring, you are so thoughtful, and oh boy, are you oh so beautiful. Inside and out. Love is a choice, and I choose you each day for the rest of our lives. You are my queen, you are my one, you are my forever. I love you, baby girl.
So, in the rush, mine were left at home. So I'm just gonna go off the top. Okay, Andre, I knew the minute that I saw you on that dance floor and I pinched your butt and you liked it, that you were going to be the one for me. I'm not really sure why, but that is what happened. We've been through so much, and just the fact that we're standing here today and our love is so much stronger and so much better. Like, I feel so proud of us that, you know, we're here. And I have fought for you for the whole time that we've been together, ever since we met, and I promise to continue to fight for you every day and fight for us and to continue to choose you every single day. And I want you to know that you do deserve my love and that you are the man for me, and you're an amazing man, amazing person, and nobody's ever loved me like you do. And I love you. I'll love you for the rest of my life.
It is now my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Andre, you may now kiss your beautiful bride. Give it up for him. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to introduce to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Andre and Staci Johnson.